Kevin's using the restroom and said he could, yeah. Kevin's taking a potty break.
Ooh, did he take his pre-show poop?
I don't think Kevin took his pre-show poop today.
It's a mid-show poop show. Guys, before we get started with the second half, go Kevin, everybody! Kevin, did you what?
No.
Perfect.
No white challenge.
No White Challenge 2019. If you guys didn't know about it, we're starting it tonight. Double wipes all year. Disgusting. If you have enjoyed the show and you're thinking to yourself, you know what? I kind of want to try that out. I'm interested in doing that. Talk to me after the show about it. We offer classes with our partner group, Mad Cow for Improv Comedy. So if you're ever interested in doing an improv class, let me know. I'll get you in touch with the right people and we'll set it up for you. So that's that part of it. Our show is not normally here at Rain Dog. We do our show every third Thursday at the beach at Blue Jay listening room. Yeah, right? However, if you're enjoying the show and you want to see it come back, tell the bartender, text the owners, give us a little review on Facebook or some shit like that. That way we can come back and keep pumping out some jokes for you. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. You guys ready to do it?
Let's do it!
You guys ready to do it?
Yeah!
We're going to start the show, our second half, with some classic joke-telling games. So if you have not laughed yet, you will hopefully laugh now. Our first game is called 185. For 185 things, walk into a bar. The bartender says we don't serve those things. Things are like, why not? And the bartender says the punchline. It's pretty simple. All you guys do is get to laugh at the punchlines. I'll practice that. So I'll say set up and punchline, then you guys laugh. All right? Set up, punchline. Oh my God! You guys crushed it. Fantastic. Let me get a letter from this, the alphabet from this side of the room.
L.
L. What is an object that starts with L?
Lemur.
Lemur. Lemur. 185 lemurs.
185 lemurs walk into a bar and the bartender says, we don't serve lemurs here. And they're like, fine, we're just go back to the taping in National Geographic.
Guys, that was the punchline. 185 lemurs walk into a bar and the bartender's like, we don't serve lemurs here. The lemur's like, why not? The bartender's like, because I don't like you. And the lemur's like, oh, it's the boomafooey.
185 country accented lemurs walk into the bar, and the bartender's like, I'm sorry, we don't serve your kind here. The lemurs look really mad and they're just like, lemur here!
185 lemurs walk into a bar and the bartender's like, no, we don't serve lemurs here. And they're like, dang, we were hoping to get up some ringtail. Aren't there ringtail lemurs? Yeah! I watched that National Geographic special.
Let me get a letter from this side of the room now. Z. Z. What is an object that starts with Z and it's not an animal?
Zipper.
Zipper. Thank you. 185 zipper.
185 zippers walk into the bar and the bartender's like, we don't serve zippers here. And they're like, why not? And the bartender's like, it's down.
185 zippers walk into a bar. Bartender says, we don't serve zippers here. And they're like, we would leave, but we're stuck.
185 zippers walk into a bar like a singles night, and the bartender's like, guys, you can't keep pulling your shit you pull. And the zipper's like, oh, come on, man, one more time. The bartender's like, no! The zipper's like, come on, we want to unleash the beast.
185 zippers walk into the bar. The bartender's like, yo, we gotta stop serving you guys here. And the zippers are like, hey, shut your fly hole.
Yeah?
Yeah, might be. 185 zippers walk into the bar, and the bartender's like, I'm sorry, we don't serve your kind here. And the zipper's like, and they're all like super angry and like fighting each other. And then the bartender's like, come on, keep it together.
Come on, news
Don't
for
forget I'm
you.
behind you.
Yeah.
15 shows.
15 shows. Been raising my hand ever since.
So, if you're single and looking to date Randy, or maybe meet someone in the audience tonight, we have some pickup lines for you to use. Yeah, some of the hottest, freshest, worst pickup lines you'll ever hear. Great. So, let me get a suggestion of a non-sexy object anywhere in the room.
Hair clip.
Hair clip. Hair clip. 1, 2, 3, go.
No. The scrunchie is no longer in style. Just too scrunched up. Take it back.
15 shows for a reason, yeah.
It's alright.
I'll hold you back against your will.
Hey, baby. It's okay. I can lose you for a little bit because you know I know where to find you.
Ready? You ready? Bobby, pin me! It's a Bobby pin.
It's a bobby pin joke. Let me get another non-sexy object.
Doorknob.
What? Coconut. Coconut.
I got a hairy ball you're gonna like.
I can tell I'm gonna like the way your milk tastes.
Did it hurt when you fell from that palm tree?
Oh no, you just part the palm fronds and go after it.
Hold on. We're pausing. Kevin just asked me if the show is rated R. We took butt chugging as a suggestion.
Alright, let me at it. So, the rumor is you like white stuff on the inside.
I'd like to formally apologize for
It's like X, yeah. There's R, there's X. Let me get a suggestion of one more non-sexy object.
Bucket.
A bucket. Yeah, bucket. I'd kick you.
You can put it over my head if you need to.
No one needs to blame. Hot. For Kevin, baby.
Ooh, I could mop you up.
Mom juice.
No, I don't care that you're a janitor. You clean me right up.
Yeah, I'll make sure to go Lowe's on you.
And all God's women said amen.
Alright, our last game is called Innuendo. We're almost there already. We're telling you how we like our men or like our women. Guys, this is only dirty if you have a dirty mind, so don't blame us. Let me get a suggestion of a letter from this side of the room.
B.
What?
B.
B. What is an object that starts with B?
Barbed wire.
Barbed wire. Innuendo, barbed wire.
I like my men like I like my barbed wire. If I'm not careful, they'll poke me in the eye.
I like my men like I like my barbed wire. Sharp.
I like my women You like my barbed wire. They keep prisoners held back.
Always end up with men like I end up with my barbed wire. Always gotta have to get a tetanus shot after.
I like my men like I like my barbed wire. They don't really look inviting, but they're just waiting for an invitation.
I like my women. I like my wires. Named Barb. Alright, let's get another, one more, maybe two more. One more on this subject.
Doorknob.
Doorknob, thank you. Doorknob.
I like my women like I like my doorknobs. A lot of people have touched them.
I like my women like my doorknobs. At first they're closed for business, and you play with them a little bit and they open right up.
I do. I like my men like I like my doorknobs. They always look so nice after I polish that brass.
That's what I'm talking about.
I like my women like I like my sexy doorknobs. Dumb.
It's a doornail.
Doornail. Two things. It's dead as a doornail, not dumb as a doorknob. I like my men like I like my fancy doorknobs. They have a lion face.
I like my men or women. Like I like my doorknobs. They're just willing to give me a turn.
Gabs is going for it!
I like my men like I like my doorknobs, which means I'm not gonna touch it with my bare hands, but if you've got a paper towel or some gloves, sure.
Let's get one more non-sexy object to wrap this up.
Keychain.
What?
Squid.
Squid.
Keychain.
Squid.
The word is squid.
I like my women like I like my fried squid. I'll eat them with a little sauce.
I like don't want to go because it's really similar, but whatever. I'm sorry. I like my women like my squid. Under the sea men.
I like my men like I like my squid. I just want to feel those tentacles all over.
I like my men like I like my squid. They look the part. You know, like have you seen one? Come on. You've seen a squid, right?
Gabs couldn't tell this one because she can't take it, but I like my men like I like my squid. Giant.
I like my women like I like my squid. I'm terrified of them. But when I see one, I'm like, oh my god!